There are countless AI and non-AI generated content circulating in YouTube that were designed by malicious forces to mislead and confuse. This is psychological warfare. Gang stalking often involves stealing credit for someone's accomplishment, then framing that person as the target, as the scapegoat for all the perpetrators' dark deeds. A key aspect of my targeting was that someone was falsely positioned themselves as the victim. And this deception led many to turn against me, attacking me for things I never did, things that in truth they were guilty of themselves. So they used tactics of triangulation to pit me against another, twisting my words when I spoke out and framing it as if I were in some hidden competition, when in reality, they were forcefully pitting me towards another person, and that was prominent in my targeting. But let it be clear, I was never competing. What I have always stood up for is the truth. The truth about the spiritual assassination that I'm experiencing up until now. So, if anyone, if there's anyone trying to paint me as the antagonist in their narratives, simple, it's a fraud. And any AI-generated content pushing experiences onto a so-called silent victim, that is a person who neither spoke up nor acknowledged the smear campaign, and pointing me out as the villain, that's a lie. So what is to say when there's no real experience? Of course, none. Silence. Probably only paid crew of flying monkeys to manipulate. So this is the thief. That destiny thief. And the one who targeted me, who played as the victim and was covertly antagonizing me for years along with this tarot readers. So what we may be witnessing is a calculated effort to silence the target. You see, abusers thrive in silence, and that's a fact. Most people understand. So to recognize a deception, you have to notice who is glorifying this silence in the midst of obvious abuse and manipulation. It's a widespread strategy of distortion and mass brainwashing. You see, the so-called silent narcissist who's an abuser wants to create a cognitive dissonance, which is two opposing views, confusing you into believing that silence is noble in the face of abuse, when in reality, it's a tool to protect the abuser. So what you don't see in here is the narcissist's desperation to keep someone quiet and silence because probably they cannot take the shame of people finding out the truth. And calling out the truth isn't obsession, it is clarity. So when they reframe truth speaking as an obsession, then that's not insight, it's manipulation. You see, when we're talking about gang stalking, we're talking about narcissists. And facts about narcissists, they love confusion. They love to confuse people, confuse the target and the people, the surroundings, and everyone. They love confusion as well as cognitive dissonance. They play people as a fool. So if there's anything I can give you, no good person will profit out of your ignorance. And almost everyone can get paid just to gain off their platform. You see, this is a powerful form of psychological warfare. It is how they keep people under control by confusing them, silence the truth, rewrite the narratives, and appear innocent while causing deliberate harm.